In this demo, we're going to demonstrate via payments of USDC stablecoins. The first step is to log into your Via wallet. Then, go to Accounts and create a payment receipt. To request payment, you can type in the amount. In this example, we will do $2 and select our Stellar key. You can also put in a payment note. This creates a QR code for the sender to send the payment. Now, the sender can scan the QR code. Here is the payment request of $2. The payment is sent from the Stellar blockchain. Voila! You can see the payment was sent successfully, including the notification of payment. And now, if you go into your account, you can see that we received $2 from the sender.